Hello students, this is the sixth chapter of your book Movements and the chapter name is Weathering the Storm in Ersama. Ersama is a small town in coastal Orissa. The current story describes a young man named Prashant who is 19 years old, but his adventures are bigger than his age. So first of all we will discuss about the summary of this chapter, okay? Prashant went to his friend's house in Ersama on 27th October 1999. It was 7 years after his mother's death. The evening there came a superstorm called Cyclone. Heavy and continuous rain filled the darkness. Trees were uprooted. The water entered his friend's house. The speed of the wind was 350 km per hour. Everything was destroyed. Prashant and his friend's family had taken refuge on the roof. Prashant was greatly shocked to see a huge sheet of water all over. Houses were broken, dead animals and human bodies floated everywhere. Two coconut trees had fallen on the house of Prashant's friend. Its tender coconuts kept them alive for several days. For the next 2 days, Prashant sat huddled means close together, on the rooftop with his friend's family. They were nearly frozen by the cold wind. He thought of his family and decided to go. He was worried about his family. He got a strong stick and started on his 18 kilometers journey to his village. Means Ersama was 18 kilometers from his village. The flood water was swollen. Prashant waded means passed through the water. On the way, he found two friends of his uncle. They had to push away dead bodies of human beings and animals to move ahead. There were hardly any houses left in the villages they passed. Prashant kept thinking that no one in his family would have survived. Finally, he reached his village, Kalikuda. The roof was the only thing left of his house. He went to the Red Cross shelter and saw his maternal grandmother and his whole family there. Prashant decided to assess the damage and the danger awaiting the survivors. He organized a group of youths of his village. They made and cooked rice taken from the local merchant and decided to clean up the place of filth, urine and floating dead bodies. On the fifth day, a military helicopter dropped food, but it did not return. They deputed children to lie there. Prashant Finally they got food through air dropping. Prashant became a savior. He made a shelter for orphan children and asked the women and children to join the Food for Work program. It was started by a non-government organization, means NGO. He engaged other volunteers to help widows to start their lives and to settle the orphans. 6 months passed since the storm. Now finally Prashant had time to think of himself. The widows and orphan children thought of him only in their hours of distress. Okay, so this was the summary of the chapter. Weathering the storm. Note down this in your notebook and learn it. Okay, thank you.